What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to this video in which I wanted to take a quick look at GMT, or the green METAVERSE token, the governance token of the Stepn application, which yesterday I did a video on what happened with Stepn and the news about it being blocked in mainland China and what that did to GMT and GST. So today I wanted to do more of an in-depth price analysis and price prediction on GMT. Maybe GST will follow, but I'm more interested in GMT, have been from the beginning. So yeah, I wanted to take a look at what happened. Yesterday we broke down on the way to this level here around 80 cents. It was also the last time I analyzed GMT. Excuse me. Last time I analyzed GMT, that was also the support level we were aiming for after breaking out of this consolidation we were in the last few weeks. I didn't expect that news obviously, but we broke down, found support here at 80 cents. That's a pretty strong level, so that's great. It does look like it's also enough support to actually hold us for a longer period of time, but the main resistance now and the main thing that's holding us back is this level here. Around $1.15, 1.15. And I gotta say, I don't think we'll be able to break that, at least not in these market circumstances. It's just not that bullish at this point of time, and I think you all know that. So I think it is more likely that we'll actually get back to that level, find resistance maybe a little bit higher at 1.17 or 1.2, and then drop down again and basically just consolidate between 80 cents and $1.2 until something fundamental happens, or some big move with Bitcoin happens. So there's basically two things I wanted to talk about, two potentials from this consolidation, or two potential things that could happen. The first one being is that Bitcoin actually goes up towards levels more around 30,000, which would mean a small bullish breakout. Just did an analysis on Bitcoin before this. If you want to check that out to know exactly what I'm talking about, feel free to do that. But if that happens, so if Bitcoin closes above 29,500 and thereby it gets closer to 30,000, there's actually a possibility with GMT, I'd say, to close above 1.15 and to get back into this consolidation range between 1.6 and 1.3, which would be a great thing, definitely with the news that came out. And I think that's possible. However, I do not think the chances of that happening are that big. It doesn't really seem like Bitcoin is going to have bullish moves today or tomorrow or in the next few days. But if it does happen, just keep in mind that we actually have the possibility to get back to the levels we were at last weeks. The other scenario, frankly, is that Bitcoin has a bearish breakout. So we do not hold the level around 28,500 again or anymore. And for GMT, that would mean, in my opinion, I don't think that 80 cents level is strong enough to hold us in that scenario. So I'd say that in that scenario, we'd actually drop down to this level here between 60 cents and 50 cents, which would be quite a big drop. And I think that would hurt a lot of GMT holders, but unfortunately, that is what I think is going to happen. So it really depends on what Bitcoin is going to do, I think. I mean, I think Stepn and GMT and GST have a great future and a lot of potential, but in these bearish markets, coins just really move alongside Bitcoin, and some are more volatile and others are a little bit less volatile, and others can have moves on their own, such as GMT did the last few days, obviously due to news. But whether we're getting back into this consolidation here between 1.6 and 1.3, or whether we're going to drop down to 60 cents or 50 cents within the next week, really depends on those price movements of Bitcoin, unfortunately. But still, that's my analysis for now on GMT. So if you do have any questions about the analysis, please let me know down in the comments. And as for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.